A memory is priceless. A parent's love is priceless. As we grow older, we might not always be able to be there for them, no matter how much we want to. Our love for them never dwindles with time, but it could feel like as if it's a second thought. Sometimes life gets in the way, and we take for granted the time we do have with them. The memories are always there. We just have to take time to remember them. Sometimes a little thought goes a long way. To nurture our memories and preserve them. Forever. Tera Pump, the world's first battery-powered watering can, innovated and improved.